YouTube. This is Andrea here.
And the other Andrea, hello.
Hello, guys. I hope everybody's doing great today. We are here to do our plan with me, and we're going to be using Creative Faery's Chrome Angel.
Ooh.
This is all about motorcycling.
And the motorcycle accessories that come with it.
And the accessories. So we got the leather jacket, which looks almost like yours.
Yeah, well, that's what it was inspired from.
And then his bike.
Mm-hmm.
This is Drea's boyfriend's bike. And then
A boot.
this looks like your boot.
Yeah.
And then the helmet. So cute.
Thank you.
So if you are a motorcyclist, I think you'll love this. Here's your deco sheet. You got little motorcycles, some gloves, helmet, do-rag, the boots, and the jacket. And of course we have all of our basics, the appointment labels, half boxes,
Script icons.
script icons, numberers, checklists, weekend banner, page flags, and of course we have our dinner, our clock,
Or icons.
and payday and shopping icons. I love that. Monday through Sunday stickers, which are also known as headers.
Mm-hmm.
And then mini boxes, and then check boxes, and then more half boxes. I like that.
Thank you. Yeah, you get a crap ton of
You
boxes.
do get a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
All right. How much is that?
That's $8.
It's $8 for the whole kit, or you can order these individually, right? No?
No.
Okay. So Drea has a new thing she's going to be doing every Friday, which is called New Releases.
Yes. New Release Friday, and we have 5 new, oh no, I'm in the spotlight. 5 new releases, and I'm going to try to angle it as good as possible. These are kawaii pills to help mark when you need to take a certain vitamin or certain medication, whatever. There we go, okay. And then these are kawaii medicine bottles. It's got a little RX in them. There, oh, nope. There you go.
Yeah, I can hold it if you
Okay,
want.
yeah, because I suck at
You
displaying.
suck.
So kawaii medicine bottles for the same thing. Then we have kawaii Happy Mail. Everything has a cute little smiley face on it because everybody's really happy to have stickers. Then we have money.
For paydays.
Yes. Or random money day stickers. I don't know.
Yeah. You might sell on Etsy and put that down on your planner, you know, that you made a sale that day.
Yeah. And then last but not least, we have movie tickets. Cute little kawaii movie tickets.
Now, you got to go out on a date every once in a while, guys, okay?
Yeah.
Don't just be sitting at home thinking about a date. Do it.
Yes.
Do it, do it, do it.
So those are available in the shop now.
Those are all available. Every Friday she'll do that. She'll show you what's new.
Yes.
All right. Let's go ahead and get this page out.
What week are we working on?
We are working on the 13th through the 19th.
Ooh. This month is going by so fast.
It is. It's going by really fast. Now this is a little page flag. You still got these in your store? No?
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's a little page flag. She used to have them in her store, but they're really cute.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
The insert you're using, though, is in my store.
Yeah, the inserts that I use for my planner are in Drea's store if you need an insert for your planner.
Yes.
All right. We don't have a lot going on this week. I got to make a note to cancel this appointment. So I will make that note to cancel, and I'll go ahead and erase it from here.
Oh, I thought that was in pen.
No, I did good this time.
Good job. Or the blank canvas to work with.
Yeah. So this whole week, the 13th through the 19th, we got pretty much as free.
Yeah.
Well, when is school let out?
Not this week. It's the next week. But graduation for my boyfriend's niece is on the 18th.
Okay, so we'll put that in. We will put that in right now.
With a clock.
With the clock? Okay.
Because we have to wake up early.
Are they having, where's graduation going to be at? Is it going to be at the university?
I don't know, actually. I have to ask him. Or you can mark it with a deco. I'm getting excited.
Yeah. The clock or the deco? We'll go with the headband. Bandana.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah. That's cute. And that is graduation.
Mm-hmm.
What time?
12:30. Till, I don't know when, till parents get tired.
There you go.
Thank you.
All
That was so
right.
cute.
Then we have, now I can put my stuff on here. I want to put the jacket up. I got 1, 4, so I'll put the jacket here. Put the motorcycle here. So cute.
Thank you.
Put this here. Boot. I'll put that helmet next to the jacket. Yeah. I feel good about that one. Hump day, always something going on, so I'm going to start putting checklists on hump day.
And we have a payday on the 17th.
Yes, we do. Thank you for telling me that.
Oh.
Put my little half box here. And then we'll put in payday. There we go. And then no appointments.
No, this is weird.
It is weird, huh?
Yeah, we always have appointments.
Yeah, it seems like we always have an appointment.
So far, it's true.
Mm-hmm.
Every week we've had appointments at the wazoo. That rhymed.
Yeah. Appointments up the wazoo.
No, I said that's true. Appointments at the wazoo.
Got trash day. And one more. I need 1, 2, 3 more half boxes.
Oh, they're there.
Yeah.
Because I give a crap ton. Just a crap ton.
1, 2.
It's a light brown.
Thank you. I must be partial to that gold.
Her favorite color is orange. If you don't
Remember.
if you don't forget.
If you don't forget. Don't forget that my favorite color is orange, y'all.
Yeah, remember that. Remember to not forget.
We got Monday. Monday.
Oh no. She's singing, y'all.
Uh-oh, y'all know what that means.
It's time to sing.
Sing a
Oh
song.
gosh.
Thursday. I like the colors are matching except for this one here. I didn't
Yeah.
match that. But look at how funny this is. It's Friday.
Matches the top one.
Matches Wednesdays.
Yeah. That's cool.
Yeah.
You know, it was pure luck that those headers fit exactly where the headers on my inserts are.
That's funny.
It's funny.
Graduation, you guys. It's like, it seems like we did graduation just yesterday for last year.
Oh.
That's crazy.
Oh, and don't forget, I still have that coupon code for Mother's Day. It is Mother, it is Mother10 for 10% off your entire purchase. And I have free shipping on orders over $10.
Free shipping over $10? That's good. A lot of people do free shipping over $20.
Yeah.
But yours is better. I need to do that. Free shipping over a certain amount.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Hungry.
Dre's a little hungry, y'all.
I sound like a motorcycle.
You know, this time I think I want to use a little washi tape.
Oh.
Yeah, but I gotta find one that kind of goes with the Chrome Angel, huh?
Something neutral. Do you have anything neutral? Oh, the green.
This one or this?
Not the teal, the light green.
Oh.
No, I don't like it either.
Yeah. I got some in here in my little J. I didn't keep a whole lot. Well, I guess I kept a few. Ooh, perfect.
Yes.
We found one that's perfect, y'all. It's like perfect. Whoops. I haven't put, what do you call it? Washi tape? On anything in a while.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah, I like that.
Well, that was fun.
That was fun. That was it. That's all I can do.
You
I mean, I
do-
could go down the middle.
And you could do a deco. Or two.
Yeah. No, I meant with the washi tape.
Oh.
But what I could do on the washi tape is, ooh, we gotta put the motorcycle.
Like a road.
There you go.
That looks good.
I like that. We had to do that, guys. And here on Wednesday, since it's hump day, we're gonna kick it. Get it?
in its-
Kick it in the boot. Kick it with a boot.
Oh.
Alright. Let's get down to my,
She's punny. She's punny today.
I'm punny today. We gotta get down
With our bad selves?
with our bad selves. No, with my regulars.
With my regular selves.
Yeah. So here's Facebook. Oop. They gotta do the dishes. I got the trash already, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, right there.
We're never eating dinner again, so
I do cook every blue moon. Life has been really different, y'all. Really different. Oh, wait a minute. I did Dana last time. I'm going to do Faye this time. Alright. Alright, we got Facebook. Remember, I try to do her 3 times a day. I mean, 3 times a week. I don't like to stay on Facebook that often.
you're gonna bombard people 3 times a day.
Yeah.
You're like, hey, Anna posting again. Didn't she just post 5 minutes ago?
Mm-hmm.
Cute. She's so cute.
She is adorable. I love that. And this is FaceTime Faye.
Facebook Faye.
Facebook Faye, not FaceTime.
Yeah, actually, that would be a good sticker to make.
Yeah. For people who have regular appointments for FaceTiming.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then there's grocery shopping on Friday. And this is grocery shopping Faye. There you go. And I'm going to put my little trash can girl up here. This is Trash Can Bibbles. it there.
Yeah. Should put her there because there's a black spot. There's a black.
This is
Trash Day Bibbles.
Trash Day Bibbles. Go. And then, alright, today
Is Friday.
So, what do we have?
Saturday's me.
Today is me.
Today is you, Saturday is me, Sunday is you, Monday is me, Tuesday.
Tuesday. I do the dishes on Tuesday. Then
Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday.
Thursday.
And we let the dishes just sit there on Sunday. I'm kidding.
No.
No, nobody washes on Sunday, it's fine.
That's not true.
I'm kidding.
Okay. So now I got my, what are those called? Basics?
They're
Functional.
functional
Thank
stickers.
you. Thank you. Goodness. I don't know why I can never remember that. I can never remember. So now we could put her back in. This was last week's.
Which was Simlish. That was the Simlish kit. Took me a second to realize that was an opening for me.
Excuse me. This is the kit we used last week. This is our kit for this week, which is
Chrome Angel.
Chrome Angel. So if you're into motorcycles and like to have fun whipping around on those little suckers, Chrome Angel might be for you. Maybe you have a week of doing motorcycle riding, so you could just do the little decos and have motorcycles going for the whole week.
That'd be cool.
You know what I want to put here on Sunday?
Mother's Day.
Sunday is Mother's Day, but what do I want to
Plum
put
bob.
there? No, I'll put a plum bob.
Dinner. The
Oh,
sun.
here we go. I'm going to put
A jacket.
dinner. You're right,
Yeah.
dinner time. But I want a box to put in there.
Good
Oh,
times.
it's right here. So green box for Mother's Day. And then dinner time.
Yes.
There. Now it looks like I have dinner on Mother's Day. Which I do. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and we'll be glad to get back to you. I hope the lighting is better for you guys this time. If not, let me know down in the comments section, and I'll try to get that fixed again. Take care. Have a great one. Bye.
Bye.